Good morning everyone. Here I am Neha Rana here to present you a PPT on the topic fundamental analysis of Infosys buyback. Concept of buyback. The concept of buyback in simple terms mean to buy those things which you have already sold in the past. There are several ways in which a company can return its wealth to its shareholders. The most common ways are stock price appreciation and dividends. Other than these two common ways, the one method that company can choose to return its wealth to its shareholders is buyback share or share buyback. So what is a share buyback? A share buyback, which is also known as a share repurchase, is a corporate action occurs when a company buys back its shares from the marketplace from the shareholders. So now when a company is actually buying back its shares from the shareholders, it is actually reinvesting in itself. So here's a picture example that actually what is share buyback meaning. So that there is a company which buys back its shares from the shareholders, that is called a share buyback. So now, why a company buy back its shares? Why there is a need of buying back its shares from the shareholders? So first, when the companies have excess cash, like they have excess money or excess wealth, you can say, or profit, and they have no opportunity to invest in, they have no project to invest in, they can simply invest in itself by buying back shares from the shareholders. The second point is, when the promoters of the company want to increase their stake in the company, they can simply buy back the shares from the shareholders. The third point is that when the company thinks that there is that when is the price of their share is undervalued on the market, they actually buy back those shares from the investors. The fourth point is, the shares that are repurchased by the company are extinguished. This reduces the number of shares in circulation, thereby increasing the earning per share. So now we talk about Infosys buyback. So we all know that Infosys Limited is an Indian multinational IT company which provides business consultancy, information technology and outsourcing services. The company was founded in Pune and its headquarters is Bangalore. So now here are the details of buyback of Infosys, which is buyback type is open market. Buyback offer amount is 9,200 crores. The date of meeting which have been approved that when will the buyback option start, which is 14th April 2021, and the offer and the buyback offer size is 14.85%. Price type is open market, and the buyback price is 750 per equity share. Like the one share price is 750. So the buyback history of Infosys is like they have done 3 buybacks by now. The first was in 2070, which was valued at 13,000 crores and the share price was 1150 per share. And in 2019, the value was 8,260 crore and the price was 747 per share. And now it is in 2021, which is 9,200 crores at the price 1,750 per share. So earlier I told you that a company buybacks its shares when it have excess amount of cash. So the company has reported double-digit growth profits for the quarter fourth, and the profit after tax has risen to 17% in a year. So Infosys buyback. So there are two things that can happen in open market buyback shares. The first thing is, if the share price is below 750, in that case the company will put buy order at the current market price. Like if the price is below than 700 750, like say 729, so the company will purchase its shares from the shareholders in 1729. And second option that can go, that if the share price is above than 750, in that case the company will buy back its shares from the investors at a price of 750 only. So Infosys is a giant company and it is a well reputed company. So it has a very exponential growth plans and visions for the future. So if an investor is not looking for a quick cash solution or a way to liquidity or a way to liquefy its cash, so buyback options should be avoided. Infosys has arrived at a final dividend of rupees 15 per equity share, which will be more effective for the people who have more number of shares and the market prices is on their favor. Thank you.